this within 6 months. I saw that's my potential here. I quit my job. I didn't need, but I quit my job because I saw the potential, and it's article. I wanted to make sure it's not an MLM because
Tahmina ji, because I have some internet issues in the beginning, I really appreciate अगर आप अपनी थोड़ी जर्नी के बारे में बताएंगी कि like how you have started this business. So एक हमें एक ना एक इंस्पिरेशन एक मोटिवेशन मिल जाएगी.
जब मैंने शुरू किया था ये बिजनेस, मुझे कुछ आता नहीं है ऑनलाइन स्पेस के बारे में. आई हैड नो आइडिया. आई वाज वर्किंग इन बैंकिंग. आई हैड बीन वर्किंग देयर फॉर ऑलमोस्ट 9 years. आई जस्ट केम अक्रॉस दिस बिकॉज आई वाज लुकिंग टू डू समथिंग फ्रॉम होम, एज अ साइड हसल, कि घर से बैठे बैठे मैं कुछ करूं while I'm working full time. That's how I came across this through a Facebook group. I was very skeptical. I wanted to make sure it's not an MLM because I had done MLMs. Not that they're bad or illegal, but it's a different kind of format where you're tapping into your friends and family, and I didn't want that. जब वो सब मैंने किया, फिर उसके बाद में when I started this, within 6 months I saw that's my potential है. I quit my job. I didn't need to. I could have continued, but I quit my job because I saw the potential, and it's I've never looked back since. I had a whole list of goals and dreams that I wanted to achieve. We wanted to buy our dream home, pay off our mortgage. We wanted to go for Hajj, which is our pilgrimage, once in a lifetime pilgrimage. I wanted to travel, and I've been able to do all of those. I've been able to take a 6-week vacation traveling all across the Middle East. Last year, I went to Hajj in Saudi Arabia. I've paid off my mortgage. So all of these things have been possible because I said yes to this business. And, many a times it's just that initial jhijak rehti hai, ki karu nahi karu. You just have to say yes. I always tell people, most of us are immigrants living in a different country. We were not born here. अगर उस वक्त जब हम इंडिया से आ रहे हैं एंड मूविंग हियर, अगर हम वो अपने आप को नहीं मैं कैसे रहूंगी, उधर तो बहुत ठंडा होगा, हम क्या खाएंगे, उस जमाने में जब मैं आई थी कुछ नहीं मिलता था. तो वी आर वेरी पर्टिकुलर अबाउट हलाल, देसी फूड नहीं थे, इतने ग्रोसरी स्टोर्स भी नहीं थे. इफ वी हैड काइंड ऑफ हेल्ड आवरसेल्व्स बैक एट दैट टाइम बीइंग स्केप्टिकल, वी वुड नॉट बी लीडिंग द लाइफ वी आर लीडिंग टुडे. So you have to make some hard choices to change the trajectory of your life. Sometimes you have to get out of the norm, step out of that comfort zone to actually move yourself to a better future. So why not this? And I would highly recommend, do check it out.
तहमीना जी, बहुत मजा आ रहा है आपके साथ बातें करके. बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिल रहा है.